So, Brewster, do you think Mom would be happy if she knew you were sitting in there, buddy? Huh? Supposed to be sitting in the sink. It's where clean dishes go. Ooh, you're angry. Get out of the sink. Get out of the sink. Get out of the sink. I'll turn it on. I will. No, I won't. That would be too mean. But I really want to. Oh, it's so easy. I just want to turn it on. You're lucky. You're very lucky. Okay, I just asked Mom. She's told me to turn on the sink. I have permission. Not getting out, huh? Took a while. Hey! Get out of the sink! You little jerk.